errands to run. Do you see her car? Do you know it's that lady's car? Oh, she has like lots of puppy pictures. Anyway, we have a lot of errands to run. I have doctor's appointment. We have some stuff to do at the office. We just have a few things. So you're gonna spend this day with us, and what? You'll spend the day with us. What? Anyways, today the way I'm feeling today is I'm great, but at the same time I'm a little tired. I woke up quite early, not too early though, but I have just been feeling a little bit tired lately. But yeah, that's it for right now, and I'll see you guys later. So we just finished from the doctor's, and it's a little bit hot today. I think it's 24 degrees. It's very hot today. We are just here at Cal's to pick up some drinks. Baby's doing well, thank God. What are you doing? Do you want to add copyright to my video?
This affect.
Like if you play music, there's no this, and I don't mute myself to add copyright, and then they'll take down my video.
Because it's another person's music.
Yeah.
So now they're using my voice.
It's your voice.
Did you get copyright permission from me? I'm even using my using my image, my Roma. Yeah, so we're just gonna pick up some drinks. It's really hot. I don't know why I'm wearing this shirt. It's really hot. We'll just pick up our drinks and then we'll. Why is my side blurry?
Because I'm using the cinematic stuff.
Is that making me fine?
No, not about fine. It puts the focus on the person that's talking. So if I do like this, see, the focus is now on me.
No one.
So we'll just pick up these drinks and then we'll head back to the office. So I'll see you guys later. So my husband got the pineapple mojitos for me and the lime mojitos, and we want to try it and see if it's actually good.
Non-alcoholic mojito. Before you think I'm giving you alcohol.
No, it's not. It's not alcoholic. Don't worry.
For those your feminist people. How dare you? Oh, he shouldn't be doing that.
It is good.
Because you did not pay, that's why it's sweeter. Which one is this is good?
Yeah.
Because you did not pay for it.
This is actually really good. Probably because it's very hot. Maybe because the weather is hot. That's why.
Ocean free. I see this. Oh, this is good.
This is hitting the spot. Guys, so I had to wait for it to charge up a little bit. I have plugged it in and I'm hoping it's working at the moment. I will just have to check if it is. Yeah, I think it's working at the moment. So I had to plug this in for about 14 to 15 hours just because I wasn't sure of how long. I didn't even bother to read the manual. That's how lazy I am. So I just wanted to make sure that it's well charged, and I'm using it at the moment. I just love that it's not bulky. Like you don't even have to know. Like this is what it looks like. You don't even know it's there, right? it's not the big ones and all that, so you don't even know it's there. So this is what I sound like up close. This is what it sounds like from this angle. This is what it sounds like from afar. I hope you guys can still hear me. This is what it sounds like from here. This is what it sounds like from here. Peeky boo. Boo. Peeky boo. Yeah, so overall, I'll say I actually like this mic. I still have a lot to learn. It has a lot of stuff. I still have a lot to learn, but at the moment, it's quite easy to use, and I have not had any problems so far. So I think this is actually a great mic. I'll still go and learn how to use some of these gadgets, but in the meantime, it's working perfectly and it's not bulky and it doesn't get in the way. Hi guys, sorry I couldn't film anything more after the office. I was just a little tired today. I brought back the kids home and it's about 8 p.m. I guess at the moment, and everybody's settled in. I'm just gonna have a shower later and go to bed, but at the moment I'm just hanging out in my room and just trying to relax because my legs are a little bit sore. But this is gonna be like the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and this unboxing of my microphone. I hope to use it more often, even though I like silent vlogs. Like I said earlier, this YouTube is different. I'm making these videos because I want my voice to be heard, so I'm not going to hide behind, you know, being afraid or being shy and all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.